I chose to install this vinyl flooring for my trailer. I got it shipped to my local hardware store and it came in this cardboard tube. So here's the instructions. They're kind of important. So I've been using these floors for a year, and I'm very satisfied with them. You can't go wrong with this vinyl flooring. I'm glad I chose the small coins instead of the large ones because I can roll my chair around on them. And the act of rolling my chair around has caused no damage at all. This thing has no scuffs, no marks, so it holds up real good to this kind of use.